This is my Commodore 64. It's dirty, yellowed and about to be cleaned. Before disassembling, I've just removed some grit using isopropyl alcohol. Subsequently, I've unscrewed the case and took it apart. Using a vacuum cleaner, I've removed the dust and took out the key and logic board. Now everything has been prepared for further cleaning. It's amazing what I've achieved with the combination of isopropyl alcohol and some pressure. For removing some remaining Docker flaws, I usually take baking soda. Right after, it was time to pop off the keys. When I had all those keys off, I've vacuumed up the plate and started cleaning one key after another, the same way as I did with the top of the case. For retrobrighting, I prefer brushing some hydrogen peroxide on the relevant parts. After that, I wrap those with transparent foil. Normally I would put them directly into the sun afterwards, but it has been a really rainy day and however, a classic light bulb or UV light will also do the trick. About 8 hours later, the yellow color was almost gone. At least I froze and dried the parts and could reassemble the C64. And this is how it looks right after the treatment.